In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily log out of Facebook Messenger on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Messenger app. Then tap right here to head over to menu, and after that tap add gear to head over to settings. If we open the settings and try to find a way to log out here, we won't find it because Facebook for some reason decided not to add it here. The only way to log out from Facebook Messenger is tap right here to head over to Meta Account Center. Then tap at Password and Security. And that's where you can easily find where you are logged in. After that, select your Facebook account. Here it shows me a couple of devices, my current device, iPhone 15 Pro, and my another Samsung Galaxy S23. To continue, we need to tap at Select Devices to log out, then select All. In this way, we can select just devices except the current one. So here it shows us just Samsung Galaxy S23. Then to continue, I'm gonna tap at Logout and then log out again. And then, as you can see, I've been successfully logged out from all the devices, including current one. Even though I don't selected that device, as you can see, I've been logged out, and then we can hit at log into another account, or we can hit at login to log back into the current one. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.